Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaction opinion itong post ng Peanut Gallery Media Network. Pahayag ito ni ex-Senate President Franklin Drilon na pabor na pabor. Sa tingin ko, opinion ko, pabor na pabor kay VP Sara. Okay. There will be no impeachment trial against Vice President Sara Duterte if Senate President Vicente Soto III is removed from his post and replaced by a leader from the minority, former Senator Franklin Drilon said. Wow! Veteranong politiko na ito. Ilang years siya naging senador. Drilon, a former Senate President himself, linked the power struggle in the Senate to the stalled impeachment bid against Duterte and the political maneuvering ahead of the 2028 elections. He said, a leadership change favoring the minority bloc would effectively block any attempt to revive impeachment proceedings. Ito ang kanyang statement. If Senator Tito Soto is replaced as Senate President and the new Senate President comes from the minority, the Senate trial will not push through. Based on what we've seen in the past few months, the impeachment proceedings in the Senate did not continue. That, in my view, is what will happen if Senator Soto is replaced by somebody from the camp of Duterte which is in the minority. Yan. Drilon said the situation shifts only if Soto retains his position. Now, if Tito Soto remains as Senate President, there's a chance, assuming the House transmit the complaint to the Senate, that a trial will take place. Okay, so, kailan ba yun? Miyerkules lang ba? Di ba? Sabado nga na ngayon. Noong Miyerkules, muntik ka na. Napatalsik si Senator Soto. Kailang hindi natuloy, may mga balibalita, unconfirmed, na mayroong nakialam. Powers that be. May pumunta doon at parang pumigil. Then, isa pang balita, bakit hindi natuloy? Nang dahil sa kagustuhan ng minority bloc na ibabalik si Senator Marcoleta as chairman ng Blue Ribbon Committee, bagay na umalma ang 5 senador galing sa majority na kumabilang kampo. Nung malaman nila na Marcoleta ulit ang chairman, bumaliktad sila. Kaya yung 17 na sanang senador na mag-elect ng bagong Senate President nang dahil lang sa kagustuhan ng minority na babalik si Senator Marcoleta as Blue Ribbon Chairman, bumaliktad. So, naging 12-12. So, hindi natuloy. Kailan? Anong ibig sabihin nito? Nakakasigurado na ba si Senator Soto na hindi na siya matatanggal in the coming days, weeks, and months? Alanganin, sabi ni Senator Drilon. Napakaliit yung parang bitin na bitin. Delikado ang leadership position ni Senator Soto. Okay. So, sabi niya, Drilon said efforts to unseat Soto are closely tied to positioning for the 2028 elections. He noted that several minority senators are identified with either the Vice President or her father, former President Rodrigo Duterte, including Senators Bato de la Rosa, Robin Padilla, Amy Marcos, Christopher Bongo, and Rodante Marcoleta. Padilla has publicly stated that he would oppose any impeachment trial against Duterte, warning that pushing the case could trigger a change in Senate leadership. While Soto has said he continues to have majority support, okay, sa ngayon Drilon pointed to the narrow margin separating the blocs, noting that shifting alliances could determine both the Senate presidency and the fate of any future impeachment attempt. He also cited Senator Pia Cayetano, a member of the majority bloc and sister of Minority Leader Alan Peter Cayetano. So sabi ni Drilon, so, assuming Alan is interested in becoming Senate President, Pia would shift to the minority to vote for her brother. Drilon's assessment highlights a political landscape that works in Duterte's favor. Without control of the Senate presidency, any renewed impeachment effort faces stiff resistance, leaving the Vice President shielded by Senate arithmetic and alliance dynamics rather than courtroom confrontation. Impeachment is just a numbers game. So, agree ako dito kay ex-Senator Drilon na napakalit yung margin ng majority sa minority ngayon. 9 versus 15. Kailangan lang ng 4 na babaliktad. Sa nakikita ko, meron ng 3. Sino yung 3? Magkapatid na Bilyar at Pia Cayetano. Yan. So, 9 plus 3, 12 na. 12 na lang naiwan kay Soto. Anybody from that 12 pwedeng gaganyan yan. Sino yung pwedeng babaliktad pa? Senator Ligarda, Senator GB Ejercito. Babaliktad yan. Madali ring babaliktad si Senator Lapid. Kaya, good luck sa mga gustong mag-impeach kay VP Sara. Galingan nyo. Dahil ang magdidetermine sa panalo o talo sa impeachment ay ang mga senador.